G'day mates, it's me Adrian G, and first of all I'd like to say I like you. I like you a lot. And today I thought I'd give a little more entertainment to people's days by basically having my ringtone go off and having myself awkwardly dance to these ringtones, because why not? Life is too serious to be taken seriously. So I really do hope you enjoy this video, or at least get a laugh out of it. If you do, make sure you share it with some of your friends. I'll squeeze in there?
Yeah, of course.
Awesome. Cool.
I'll jump.
Alright, awesome. You want to?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, cool. Yeah, no, I'm just level 3. Yeah.
I think you can understand pretty rapidly. I knew I turned off getting the camera rotating around the plane for a reason.
It was a good song, sorry.
Okay, so there's the optical fibre system, so they've got this high-speed RF.
No one's sitting here now?
Yeah.
Awesome. What are you up to?
Not a lot.
Not a lot, just chilling?
Yeah.
Nice. What's your name?
Sinead.
Sinead, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Are you from around here?
Yeah, I just moved down here from Queensland.
Oh, from Queensland?
Yeah,
What,
so
like
I'm doing uni.
Gold Coast?
Oh, Cairns.
Do you like to dance? Just random
Not
question.
one of my solid things.
That isn't?
No, it's not one of my best tributes.
I don't think we can be friends if you don't like to dance.
I can doof dance.
Oh, doof dance? Yeah. I'd show you some doof dance, but we're like in a library and everything,
Yeah.
so, you know. Can you dab? Like there. This one. Come on, jump up. Come on, Sinead. No? Oh. Oh. That's awkward. Yeah.
Just to let you know, wouldn't be doing that again.
Oh, no?
I have to ask you to leave.
Oh, sorry.
Because it's not safe.
How's it going? Hey, good to see you. How are you? Good?
See your videos.
Oh, you seen him?
One of my friends is a big fan of you. I think he said he was chatting with like something.
Yeah? That's sick.
Messages and stuff.
Yeah, you wanna hear my ringtone? This one. You like it?
Good.
You like it? What do you reckon of it? Good dancing?
Good dancing. Good
Yeah, nice man. Cool.
Oh, yeah. So you remember how we had our conversation about 15 minutes ago about you not doing that again?
No, he's my friend. He was like, oh, what were you doing earlier? And I wanted to show him. No, I'm not.
So
No.
it's time to leave for today.
Oh.
So, yeah. Most of the day, or
Huh?
just popped into the city now?
Yeah, no, I'm from Sydney, so just kind of exploring the Melbourne area.
Oh, yeah.
Work is 55%. Whose phone is that? Okay. If this presentation is due in week 4, turn it off and get out of the room. Okay, we'll all just wait and then you can click on this slide for instruction to watch it.
All right, mates, thanks for watching that video. If you did enjoy it, make sure you hit the thumbs up. I really do appreciate that. And I would like to thank Ringtone Remixes for sponsoring this video now. Ringtone Remixes is an app that basically offers remixed ringtones of your favorite songs, your favorite artists. Some of the songs they've got, let's say, Cut It. They've got Panda. Hotline Bling. And yeah, plenty more. So if you would like to stand out from the crowd and get yourself one of these cool ringtones, I have left the link in the top of the description so you can download the app and get some of these cool ringtones. Yeah, I love you guys and I'll see you all for another video next week.